You might have recognized already that prices for ebooks are changing continuously due to season, marketing campaigns, and probably the weather also. Unless you're in Germany, we have a law that regulates book pricing. To avoid paying more than you have to, some smart people have come up with the service eReaderIQ.com. This service is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. If you're patient enough to wait for price drops, you can use the website service and track price drops of your favorite titles. Registration is the easiest I've seen in a long time. All you need to enter is your email address, then you're ready to go. In the price drop section, you can submit the book either by entering the ASIN unique book identifier or the URL of the store page. Then choose the price or price drop you're looking for and start tracking immediately. The website also allows you to see the pricing history of books which are part of the database. So go looking for any book and see how prices developed over time. Like this one here by James Scott Bell. It started off in the Kindle version at $2.99 and then was $3.99 for a while and is now down to 99 cents. You can also follow authors if you like and get informed via email if there's offers concerning this author. Or in case a book is now available as a Kindle version and you've anticipated that for a while. Check it out for yourself. It's a good way to save money on books and stay up to date on your favorite authors.